I'm studying medicine at National Kapodistrian University of Athens.
I am Polish, but I come from La Sapienza University in Rome.
I'm a student at Tübingen University.
I left that I was given the opportunity to meet students from around the world, professors, to see how they work, to collaborate with them, and to gain experience that is going to be used the upcoming years.
But here the practice was quite important, and generally it was my first time doing many things, also the dissection, because we usually have prosection or theoretical like learning with the atlas. So we were mostly with also my colleagues from La Sapienza super eager like to have hands-on experience.
It's the perfect combination of getting new friends and speaking languages and cultural experience and medicine. So like two of my favorite things.
And one thing you don't
Yeah, I would definitely. I was actually asking whether it's even possible to repeat the summer school because I enjoyed so much that I would go like I have 3 years to finish uni, so I would go like next year and the next year even to the same summer school if it's possible.
And I'm just looking forward for new forms being uploaded and I can sign in again. So it's whether here or in different place in the world, I'm goal for it.
It's the perfect experience for everybody who loves the practical part, surgery part, and getting new friends.